Dr. Abraham Karickam is a former principal of Thoma College, Tiruvalla in Kerala. He holds PhDs in English and also in inter-religion studies. He is the coordinator for the United Religions Initiative, South India Sri Lanka Zone, and Secretary General of the United Religions Initiative, Asia region. Dr. Abraham has authored 15 books and edited a number of books as well as journals. He has been a fellow traveler of Taize Community, France from his students' days. He has been engaged in interfaith dialogues for more than the last 30 years.
Most respected Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, Vice Chancellor, and revered Chetney sir, all respected guests on the dais and off the dais. This is a great privilege for me. I don't know why I am honored like this by a great guru, whom nobody can emulate. So to be in the presence of Dr. Karad and to be on the campus of this great university, it is something great for me. This was quite unexpected that I spoke to Dr. Chetney and the way I am here today. I was asked to speak at the valedictory session of the Parliament a few weeks back, and that was itself a great honor for me. And to my surprise, immediately after my speech, Dr. Karad asked me to visit this MIT, and I accepted it, readily accepted it, because his vision, that is non-parallel, without comparison. So, such a great honor to be invited by a great guru like him. I would like to speak today on a topic: promoting the culture of peace in the world today. And the first thing I want to tell is that peace is not something given. Peace is something to be earned day by day. We have two kinds of PhDs. Everybody knows, all of you know. One is awarded PhD, the other one is earned PhD. PhD can be conferred upon somebody. A university can offer us a PhD because of our talents, our great work. But if you want to earn a PhD, you will have to do hard work for many years, write a thesis and earn PhD. Just like this. Peace, it's not given like that. Every day we have to earn peace to have a peaceful world. Please. So what is peace? I have to define this before I go into this topic, before I say anything more. Peace is restoring or regaining the cosmic balance. We have to go to the embryonic condition of the given world, what the Creator envisaged. That is the original happiness of the world. That is the mother's happiness, the Mother Earth's happiness to see the world like a child, So, but what is the condition of the world today? You see, when I say this peace has to be earned, I strongly believe that this is possible. It is not a distant dream. Peace is possible. Because in 1985, we had, when UN celebrated the International Day of Peace, we had 80,000 nuclear warheads. Some 40 years back. 40 years back, we had 80,000 nuclear warheads. But today, we have only 13,000 nuclear weapons. So we could deactivate, we could do away with so many weapons which were so detrimental to the very existence of the universe. So it is something possible. This is not a dream. So our dream today is to bring it to the zero level. We have a cooperation circle, the unit of the organization where I work, that is United Religions Initiative. This movement was initiated by United Nations. Like United Nations, we have United Religions. All the religions of the world, they are under this umbrella. When I searched Google, I saw there are some 43,000 religions in the world. I don't know. Maybe the small tribal religions are all included, 43,000 religions. But if you take 3 religions, one of my books was referred here. I studied 3 religions and the holy books. The book is The Concept of Salvation in the Upanishads, the Bible and the Quran. If you take these 3 religions, Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, there are 400 crores of people as its followers. Half of the world population belong to these 3 religions. All the other religions, they have the other half. So if the religions, at least these 3 religions can live in peace in the world, there will be peace in the world. So how was United Religions Initiative formed? When UN celebrated its Golden Jubilee in 1995, they invited all the religious heads, all the religious leaders for a Thanksgiving prayer. The Bishop William Swing of California, he was asked by United Nations to bring all the world religions together for a Thanksgiving prayer. There, United Nations said, see, we cannot bring peace without the religions know how to live in peace. So can you help us? There they said, yes. What is the point of coming together just for a prayer? So let us think of an organization, an umbrella organization like United Nations. So the idea of United Religions was formed there. Now today we have all the religions, we have a charter which all the religions of the world have accepted. So we are in 112 countries in 20 years of its growth. The charter was signed only in 2000. So in 21 years, we have a presence in 112 countries of the world.